Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable Today tab on Skype app on an Android device. Well, if you find the Today tab unnecessary or cluttered, disabling it can streamline your Skype interface, making it cleaner and more focused on essential functions. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the Skype app on your device. Well, so if you dislike this tab, don't miss the steps. Open your profile page here and then select Settings option. After that, select Appearance and scroll down. And then turn this toggle off. Okay, so now the Today tab is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable Today tab on Skype app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.